Okay, I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video, Jasmine. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company. I wanted to go over three key factors that are needed to rank your business on Google and increase your exposure. Within the website for the business, you need content, backlinks, and citations. Many companies build beautiful websites, but some of them fall short when it comes to the content and the keywords that are needed. Understand every time you type something into the search bar for Google, these are considered keywords, and Google uses that to look for websites that best fit your search for what you typed in. Search engine optimization. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to these keywords, and then Google categorizes these websites based on their content, and this is how you establish rank. You want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. Now, backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another. Google uses that to build trust in your company. Citations also, or referring domains, is anywhere your business name, address, and phone number are shown exactly as your Google business profile. If you don't have a Google Business Profile, it's highly recommended you build one, that you have one. It directly connects you and your business and your citations together to help you rank in the map section. It's extremely important to be seen in the maps. There's a lot of exposure here in the map when somebody searches something near me, tree service near me. Once Google sees your business being referenced more often than your competitors, the more likely you are to bring value to the business and move up the rank structure. So within the map section here, obviously name, address, phone number, and citations with your Google Business Profile is how you rank in the map area with your service area. And citations include Yelp, Angie, BBB, Yellow Pages. Everything underneath the map is considered an organic rank with the exception of advertisements like Yelp or Angie. We have Raleigh Tree Service, Ashland Tree Service. We have Raleigh Tree Services, Arbor Max Tree. We have Everett Tree Service, all right here on the first page. So I typed in Tree Service Raleigh. I did not see you on the first page. Here we have your website. And I have a tool that I can use. It's called Ahrefs. It shows me what's going on behind the scenes. And I can see that you have 8 backlinks, 3 referring domains, and 4 keywords. Now again, backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website. You want a strong domain rank and you want decent traffic. Not all backlinks are created equal. You also have 3 referring domains that you are connected to: Extraprise, Domain Info Tree, and also keywords or your content play a factor in the exposure that you get depending on how you are recognized by Google for what's being typed in. I wanted to take a look at one of your competitors that were right there at the top, Everett Tree Service, so you have a better understanding. I plugged him into the same tool. You can see he has 159 backlinks, 43 referring domains, and 187 keywords within his content that are bringing him 543 views per month from these keywords. Let's get a little better understanding. Tree Service, Raleigh, North Carolina. This is the volume. This is the search per month that these particular keywords get searched. 350 times per month just for this keyword alone. Raleigh Tree Service, 400 times. Tree Service Raleigh, North Carolina, 350. Tree Service Raleigh. Tree Removal Raleigh. So you can, excuse me, you can quickly understand the value that can come from the correct content and the keywords within your website and the exposure that you'll get per month based off of your content and your keywords, generating more leads, more customers, and therefore more sales. Now, once you understand that all these things come together, these contents, these backlinks, these citations, Google will start to see you as a trusted entity, a trusted business. You are being endorsed, It will quickly move you up the rank structure and it'll get you on the first page, and therefore more exposure for the content. With that being said, I hope that you have a better understanding of how important a well-built website is and the value that it can bring to your company. And if you would find yourself wanting some more information, we could talk. Maybe I could do some research and find out what would be realistic for your business and or your goals. And with that being said, I wanted to thank you for taking the time to watch this today, and I hope you have a great day.